Hello everybody. It's not really stopped raining for 12 hours. Now we've got a little break at 4:30. It's now brook. Still a light little drip, as you can see. Forecast is rain all day. But I'm still going to put them out. They never get the forecast right, but chances are that might not rain all day. Three reds. Yeah, 1:30. Yep. Absolute poured down for 12 hours. But it might not continue. If the world was made of ifs and buts, it'd all be sweets and coconuts. So I'll put them up. Ground is absolutely saturated. Right. I'll do a couple of catch-up videos throughout the day, if they last that long. Bye for now. Hello people, I'm back again. There's the birds. It's now coming up to 9:30. And don't know if you can't see that. Let's get that. There we go. It's now coming up to 9:30 and it's just started to rain again. The rain had eased off and it wasn't really raining, but it was crappy weather, crappy grey skies. But it's now 9:30 and it's starting to rain again. Look at the puddles on the floor. Absolute nightmare of a day to fly pigeons today. Birds just went through a second ago, as you saw. Not flying too great, I don't think. I think that's because of obviously it's because of the weather. It's low cloud, crappy black sky. What do you expect? But we've just done 5 hours. So we'll catch up again later on. Bye for now.